Hello brains! See how to create WhatsApp channel. Brains, as you have seen that by creating a channel on Telegram, you can reach out to the public message and stay connected to your followers through photos, videos, messages, etc. etc. Mark Zuckerberg has brought this new update on WhatsApp. Similarly, by creating a WhatsApp channel, you can stay connected with your followers through photos, videos, and messages. So let's see how to create a WhatsApp channel. First of all, go to WhatsApp. Now you can see the WhatsApp account screen in the front of you. Now the update option has come. Click here. Earlier there was an option of status here, but now a new update has come. For this, the option of update has come here. Then you have to click on update. Now this screen is visible there and the plus icon is visible here. Clicking there. After clicking on the plus icon, two options appear in front of you. Then click on create channel at the top. Now this screen is visible in front of you. What is written in it? Create a channel to reach unlimited followers and click on the continue option below. Now you are seeing the create channel screen and here you have to write the WhatsApp channel name. After writing the channel name, now click on create a channel option. Now your WhatsApp channel is complete. Thank you very much friends. Please subscribe channel and like the video.